Test cricket, there's nothing called the best approach because you got to be slightly different when it's required of you. And we'll just assess however it is tomorrow in the morning and just play to the situation and play to the merit. And we know it's all going to go really well for us. We want so many things the way we expect it to be, but yes, we would take it any day. I mean, we'd really come out positive tomorrow. We've got some solid batsmen in the dressing room, and yeah, it's exciting in every way. You know, winning a test in Lords is going to be amazing. So I think we're sitting pretty. I mean, I'd say as long as we win the game, I think nothing else would matter. I mean, a win as a team in Lords would be very, very special for us, and I'm sure for you guys as well. India winning the Lords Test would be amazing. So looking forward to the day tomorrow in every way. Yeah, definitely every experience would help for me to be out there and bring out my best version of myself tomorrow. But yes, I mean, we're all looking forward, and it's going to be great. I mean, definitely one of the best days with the ball for me, especially outside of India. But yes, definitely had some solid plans coming into this test match and really wanted to execute them, both in first and second innings. Honestly, wanted to contribute to the team quite differently in different passages of play. But yes, the way it turned out to be for me as well as the team the whole day today is really good and very heartening for me. It definitely raises my confidence levels, and especially to perform in England, it means a lot, and it genuinely makes me believe how much of an asset and how much I could actually perform for the team in these conditions as well. So it definitely means a lot. It definitely does. I mean, it's a sport, and everyone is quite aggressive and quite intense in their own ways. And I mean, no matter the sport, if you're an athlete, it's a common fact, I'd say. So it's always inside of an individual. Definitely, I mean, Test cricket, no matter the situation, I mean, we're all expected to put in 100% every single day, no matter what the results look like or even the scoreboard looks like. So yes, it's going to be exciting tomorrow. I mean, especially the last 15-20 minutes was quite interesting today. So yeah. I mean, I would say the aggression is always inside of us in both dressing rooms, I would say. Where it's just that there was an incident that happened and it sort of came out as well last evening, and it did come out quite a bit today as well. So yeah, I mean, it's all the more interesting for all of us to look forward to tomorrow. I mean, this is a team game, and we got to do, as players, we got to do everything the team needs, and at the end of the day, as long as the team wins, that's all it takes, and that's all it matters as well. And yes, there are different rules thrown at me in different passages of play. I would say that's where Test cricket gets a lot more exciting, because you've got to be a slightly different cricketer, at least with your mindset on day 5 compared to on day 1. So I think it's been going pretty well for me. I mean, it definitely helps, and also the fact that the things that come to me, the information that's passed on to me in various situations of the game and even in different venues, important. I mean, do mean a lot important as well, because obviously some of the venues require you to be a little different, and when the information is passed on to me, it generally means a lot, because obviously Gautam has played a lot of Test cricket and has got so much experience. And even seniors like KL Rahul, Bumrah, they keep talking to all of us, and they make sure we are aware as to what exactly needs to be done in different scenarios in the game. So that way, it definitely means a lot. And yes, as I said, as long as the team is doing well and I'm contributing to the team's success, it's amazing. I would say both games are quite different. I mean, the venues were quite different. In Lords, I was thinking there wouldn't be a lot of bounce, especially looking at the game that happened a couple of weeks ago, the World Test Championship Finals. So the probability of ball hitting the stumps, especially of good lengths, is a lot more compared to the last 2 venues that we've played. So according to that, there were some plans, and yes, I think all of us bowled really well, especially the fast bowlers. They bowled their heart out on day 4. After having bowled a lot of overs in the first innings, they still came out with their heart and bowled really well consistently. obviously this is my first game in Lords, and I didn't really think too much about it, and I was thinking it wouldn't really do much for spinners. But yes, I mean, my plans weren't really based on the slope, so I wasn't honestly thinking about it. But the way it turned out for me, and I mean, Lords definitely is very kind to me so far in the Test match.